What's going on, Shiba Inu holders? Would you take a look at what's on the screen right now? I think it's time to stop for Shiba Inu price if, just if, the price will respect the trend that we have built for the last 30 plus days. Everybody, just yesterday we mentioned this one. If you hold Shiba Inu, prepare now. Well, it's been 24 plus hours, and now we continue to see weakness. We continue to see that the price of BTC is not doing anything. It's been pretty boring. It's like people have no clue what to do right now. They're like, should we buy? Should we sell? It's okay. It happens. I've been looking at different things, and I'm just like, okay, I believe nobody wants to do much until 2 weeks have passed as the election comes closer and closer and closer. But let's have a conversation. This is going back to 4017, something that we have been before. Obviously, as you can tell, the price of Shiba Inu, it's taking very long to do something exciting, but I'm bullish. You should be bullish. And let's go ahead and do a deep dive, because as we're talking right now, Shiba Inu is rejecting and is coming a little bit down. So let's see if we find a surprise by the end of this video, shall we? Don't forget to smash the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Turn on those notification bells, everybody. Happy to have you and welcome aboard. Finally, the price of BTC, it's like for the last 24 plus hours, the price of Bitcoin, it's just been sideways in the last, few time frames. As I mentioned before in my previous videos, I think there's obviously a need for a retracement based on the price behavior that we're just looking at, right? I do want to mention that, showing you the PPF, past, present, future indicator that I'm looking right now, and just like the trend as far as how we're looking, this is kind of feeling like the price of SHIB might want to retest a support. Why? Well, now that we have breaking down just a little bit live, we have this, we also have this, and we started right here. So this is September. Right here is early September. So if Shiba Inu is strong enough to show us some very nice consistency, price of Shiba Inu should stop somewhere here and get a rejected uptrend and continue pumping, which totally can do. It's like, come on, we're really not that high, and we're not even at 402, so we should be going higher. So not a lot of people are getting into SHIB for what we can tell. That's what you're seeing on the screen, guys. So I'm interested. It's an interesting time, because if you wanted to buy the dip, it might continue going lower just right now. Take a look at Bitcoin. I'm looking at the 4 hours. This is the 4 hours. So Shiba Inu holders, get some cash in hand. I'm telling you, right? Just in case. I do have some positions open here on Margex. So I want to remind you guys, do it right now. Get so ready for shorting, for longing. First link down below. Promo code Ramos, Ramos. I already talked to Margex, and they told me that that's the code you need to use for the bonus, up to 10,000 welcome bonus. Guys, go to my link down below, use Ramos, and you can join up, trade, long, do whatever you want. Close to 1 million people trading and 70 of us trading daily. So I want you here with my team and just having a good time, guys. Enjoying the trades and making some money. And as you can tell there, guys, it helps me decide whether I want to join a position or not. The fact that I have my indicator that gives me some alerts, and it's obviously not 100% true, accurate. No indicator is, but it kind of gives me an idea as far as the boring price behavior we have. Not only on Shiba Inu, but on many different cryptos. I have CoinMarketCap right now, and we're still at 2.3. We've been at 2.3 for a while. This 66,000 price, I saw it for the last 48 hours or so, right? Take a look at the 7 days. Look at this. This was the 21st. Today is the 22nd. So we're coming from 69. Then on the 17th, we were at 67, 69. We went all the way to 68. So last week was pretty nice. If we go a month ago, what was the price of BTC? Was 65, right? All the way down to 659, but then coming back up. So where is pumped over? That's what I want to ask. Just a few more weeks, and we should have some, in my opinion, delicious closure. So we go back up. But for in the meantime, what you need to do is to pay attention, subscribe, turn on those notifications so I'll never miss an update. So I will keep you in the know as this is what it's looking. From 4 hours, let's go now to the 15 minutes. Let's go to the micro view. You see, this is the RSI. Let me add the volume because the volume is important. So volume, let's go ahead and hit the RSI. Volume right now, we're seeing increasingly more sells. So people are, for some reason, selling. And, I'm sure that some investors are shorting Shiba Inu right now. That's how they're making their money. So don't get it confused, right? The fact that the price is going down, it doesn't mean that people are not profiting, because if you're holding SHIB, right, as an investor, good. I'm also holding it, good. But a lot of people short it, and that's how they make tons of money. So right now, that's why I'm reminding you of Margex, of how the position you could be playing, different strategies. And there you go. If you feel like we're going lower, then you know what to do, right? So Shiba Inu holders, I believe it's time for Shiba Inu to stop this decline if we are going to respect that 4-day price channel, or take a look at how it feels in the 1 day. If I hide my PPF and I just leave it like this, check it out. So we had a nice pump immediately. I remember this one. It was like, oh yes, Shiba Inu pumping, and boom, the same day, almost the same day. It was like, really? So hopefully Shiba Inu is not going to rug us and go much lower, right? I hope not. But I'm just keeping you aware that it is the time for Shiba Inu to really say, okay, let's come back up. And if it is, then this could be a great price for you to enter with a position on Margex, as the retracement up could be all of this. And in a good position, you're making thousands of dollars on a great money deal, depending on what leverage you use. So just FYI, guys, all eyes here. Not much news going on Shiba Inu, right? But still, we're bullish and watching the charts. There you have it, everybody. Have a good one. Like and subscribe. Peace.